Welcome to another episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness Podcast. I'm your host, Max Newsman, excited to bring you today's top stories. At newsramp.com, we gather the latest business news from the best sources, ensuring you stay updated and engaged. Before we begin, a quick reminder. This podcast features AI-assisted production and voices, but the news we present is genuine, with full stories available on newsramp.com. Today is Thursday morning, October 9th, 2025, and we've curated a fantastic selection of health, fitness, and wellness news just for you. So whether you're commuting, working out, or just relaxing, stay tuned and let's dive right in. Let's kick things off with our first headline.
Wrapped to support healthcare brands at WHX Dubai, the world's largest healthcare and health technology event. Wrapped Brand Agency, a strategic full-service brand and marketing partner for regulated industries, will be participating at WHX Dubai in February 2026. The agency will offer tailored marketing and strategic support to healthcare innovators and companies looking to accelerate their international growth and visibility. WHX Dubai is the world's largest healthcare and health technology exhibition, providing a significant commercial platform for U.S. healthcare businesses seeking global expansion and strategic partnerships. Wrapped brings extensive experience working with NHS and global medtech leaders, offering specialized support aligned with clinical and commercial goals. Their services at WHX Dubai will include strategic brand positioning, exhibition support, one-to-one marketing advisory sessions, and post-event strategies to drive commercial growth. Learn more about Wrapped Brand Agency at their website.
Biomed News Breaks. Annovis Bio Inc., NYANVS, reports biomarker data showing buntanetap reduces inflammation and strengthens neuronal health in Alzheimer's patients. A late-stage clinical drug platform company developing therapies for neurodegenerative diseases reported that buntanetap reduced key inflammatory biomarkers and improved neuronal integrity in Alzheimer's patients. Data from the Phase 2-3 study showed lower levels of various markers in treated patients compared to placebo, indicating potential disease-modifying effects. CEO Maria Macchiachini stated that these findings support buntanetap's multi-targeted mechanism and validate earlier results, boosting confidence in its therapeutic potential. For more information, visit Annovis Bio's website.
Investor News Breaks. Nutriband Inc., NTRB, files provisional patent to strengthen protection of Aversum, abuse deterrent technology. Nutriband Inc., NTRB, has filed a provisional application to expand protection for its Aversatem abuse deterrent transdermal technology. This filing includes improved aversive formulations and coating application methods to enhance abuse deterrence and resistance to tampering. If granted, the new patent could extend Aversa's protection by up to 20 years from the filing date. Aversahem technology, already patented in 46 countries, incorporates aversive agents into transdermal patches to prevent misuse of drugs with abuse potential while ensuring accessibility for patients who need them. GeoVax to present COVID-19 vaccine data at World Vaccine Congress Europe 2025. GeoVax Labs Inc. will present COVID-19 vaccine data at the World Vaccine Congress Europe 2025. Dr. Mark J. Newman will discuss vaccine design for immunocompromised patients during a workshop. Dr. Kelly T. McKee Jr. will present safety data for the GeoCM04S1 COVID-19 vaccine in adults with hematologic malignancies. GeoVax President and CEO David Dodd looks forward to showcasing progress in vaccine development. The World Vaccine Congress Europe brings together global experts in vaccine research and development. GeoVax is a clinical-stage biotechnology company developing vaccines for infectious diseases and cancer. For more information, visit dovax.com. Community Compassion in Action. A Place at Home North Austin and Share the Will Foundation provide power chairs to veterans. A Place at Home North Austin and Share the Will Foundation recently teamed up to donate a power scooter to a local veteran and a power wheelchair to a community member in need. This partnership aims to improve mobility and independence for Central Texans. Stacy Eisenberg, the owner of A Place at Home North Austin, emphasized the importance of compassion and service in their mission. Together with founder Will Williams of Share the Will Foundation, they have donated over 34 essential medical equipment pieces to veterans and individuals in the community. The event highlighted the power of community partnerships in making a tangible difference, turning compassion into action, one donation at a time. Owens & Minor to shed largest business unit for $375 million. Owens & Minor, a Fortune 500 healthcare logistics company based in Henrico County, is selling its largest business segment, products and healthcare services, to Platinum Equity for $375 million. This move will reshape the company's focus towards its higher-margin Patient Direct division, which supplies home medical equipment directly to patients. The sale, expected to close by the end of the year, reflects Owens & Minor's shift towards becoming a streamlined home care specialist. This decision follows a challenging year for the company, which faced profitability issues amidst industry changes. CEO Edward A. Pasica sees this sale as a strategic move towards long-term growth, positioning Owens & Minor as a leading home-based care platform. The buyer, Platinum Equity, plans to enhance the global capabilities of the acquired business. Owens & Minor will receive $375 million in cash at closing, retain a 5% equity interest, and could earn additional proceeds if Platinum sells the division later. Investors, however, reacted cautiously, with the company's stock slipping nearly 10% after the announcement. The transaction is subject to regulatory approval, with Citi and Wells Fargo advising Owens & Minor on the deal.
Groundbreaking book exposes the hidden crises in U.S. healthcare. Flatline Ethics calls for ethical reform and patient-centered revival. Healthcare veteran Amy Ellis exposes the hidden crises in U.S. healthcare in her groundbreaking book, Flatline Ethics. Drawing from her experience, Ellis reveals how unchecked power and profit-driven priorities are eroding the core of healthcare, leading to preventable tragedies. The book introduces the Ellis model, a framework for rebuilding ethical systems and addressing burnout and moral injury. Aimed at healthcare leaders and policymakers, Flatline Ethics challenges readers to prioritize dignity and human life over metrics and optics, offering reflection spaces for personal processing. As the nation faces ongoing healthcare challenges, Ellis's call to action urges readers to move from reflection to reform, reclaiming the sacred work of healing.
Luxury health and wellness destination Monarch Athletic Club to launch first East Coast location at the Rivani, Miami Beach. Monarch Athletic Club, the physician-led wellness destination, is set to open its first East Coast location at the Rivani, Miami Beach. This 8,000-square-foot facility will offer a fully integrated model combining medicine, fitness, and recovery under one roof. Members will have access to a team of physicians, strength coaches, nutritionists, and more to focus on prevention and optimization. The club's arrival in Miami marks a significant milestone, bringing a new standard of proactive preventative health to the vibrant and health-conscious community. Founded by Dr. Ryan M. Green and Paul Freshke, Monarch Athletic Club is set to debut at the Rivani, Miami Beach in 2026. Aligning with Rivani's vision of a workplace designed around lifestyle and well-being.
Thank you for joining us today. That's it for this episode of the NewsRamp Health, Fitness, and Wellness podcast. As a reminder, NewsRamp curates news from leading newswires like Newsworthy.ai, 24/7pressrelease.com, NewsDirect.com, and BlockchainWire.io. We encourage you to visit newsramp.com to read all of today's news.